So we started using Xtreme Polishing Systems epoxy, and man, this stuff is just great. Now it takes a little while longer to cure than the epoxy that we've been normally using, which is a little bit, but it saves me a whole process. And I want to show you this. We had a little left over in a cup, so we're a good 1/2 inch there, and we're a good inch and a half on this side, and it cured. But look how clear it is. I mean, you can literally read through it. The only little bit of discolor is because it wasn't all completely mixed. This is, again, this is 1 inch thick, just regular epoxy. It didn't cook itself through like my epoxy would have just had. It would have got overheated because it cures too fast, and it makes it so hard to work. But I want to show you something. I could take my thumb with my other stuff and I could scratch it. I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to get it, but I mean, man, it is so hard. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but I am bending my thumbnail, and I got some gorilla thumbs. You can't scratch that. I mean, I rubbed a knife on it a while ago, and it just barely scratched it, which literally would take away from you needing a top coat. You could literally just wax this stuff and have all the protection your customer needs. This stuff is awesome. Thanks so much, Chris. Thanks, Courtney, for turning me on. We're making some money now. Appreciate y'all.